But your assessment is only part of the equation when it comes to your tax bill. Dozens of taxing jurisdictions in Jackson County, like cities and school districts, are now working to set their tax levies or rates, another part of the equation that decides your tax bill. KSHB 41 News anchor Lindsay Shively walks us through it.
So let's take a minute and let me walk you through that equation to try to understand your property tax bill a little bit better. Take the county's market value of your home, what they think you'd get if you sold it. The assessed value is 19% of the market value, minus exemptions, and that's where you get your taxable value. So here's the formula from the Jackson County website of how they get that property tax bill. I wanted to take a look at an example actually from Grain Valley that they had listed on their website of this. They said, you know, if you had a home that had a market value of $200,000, the assessed value would be $38,000. So $38,000 divided by 100 times the example of a tax levy they gave, and the total property tax bill just for the city's portion in Grain Valley in this example was $550. But remember, this would just be for the city's portion. You likely live in several taxing districts like the library, the school district, and this is not their newly set level. This is just part of that example. The Jackson County Director of Assessment talked about all of this earlier this summer.
That is probably the greatest misconception, and is why I have encouraged people to please attend the levy meetings for all of your taxing jurisdictions. When your property values increase, your levy rates should be going down.
So I went to Grain Valley last month to talk to them about their plans where property taxes help fund their police department and roads. The mayor told me their first vote on their levy is actually tonight, and based on the valuation they say they got from Jackson County, they're planning to drop their levy. Why?
When we get our assessed evaluation from the county, due to the Hancock Amendment in Missouri, we can't get a windfall, we're not going to get a windfall back on taxes. We have to roll our levy back to account for that so that people aren't getting, a 30% increase on their city taxes. So we have to roll that back.
Okay, there are some caveats to that, like inflation. Mayor Todd had said they were concerned that valuation could change after they set their levy. Earlier in the summer, the city passed a resolution encouraging Jackson County to keep 2022 property assessment values for this year. I just got an update from the Jackson County Assessment Department this morning that said it's not possible to keep 2022 values. Law does not allow it. I also asked what happens if, after assessment appeals, values change after tax districts had already lowered their levies. The county said they are sending updated values to all of those taxing districts, but don't anticipate significant differences, and that taxing districts can make up lost revenues if values are lower. I had also asked the Missouri State Auditor's Office the same thing, and here's how they explained it to me in August. A political subdivision is able to levy an additional tax for up to 3 years to recoup the revenues it was entitled to receive for the prior years affected by revisions. This would apply in situations where assessments are reduced after tax rates are set. The state auditor's office also said tax rates have to be certified in Jackson County by October 1st, so check with your taxing jurisdictions if you'd like to go to any meetings they might be having to set those tax rates. As for the Hancock Amendment you heard the mayor mention, I talked to the state auditor last month about that, who described it basically as part of the state constitution that puts a cap on how much revenue growth local governments can make on property taxes, stopping that revenue from growing faster than inflation. New construction, one of the things exempt from that. Lindsay Shively, KSHB 41 News.